Hey everyone, welcome back to Sense and Science, your go-to place for exploring the wonders of the human body. Today, we're diving into something you see every single day, but probably don't think too much about. Your skin. It's more than just a cover, it's the largest organ in your body, and it's working non-stop to protect, regulate, and communicate. So grab a seat, and let us peel back the layers literally to understand the human skin like never before. Section 1. What is the skin? Let's start with the basics. The skin is the body's largest organ, weighing about 3 to 4 kilograms in adults, and covering nearly 2 square meters. But it's more than just a shield, it's a smart, multitasking organ that does everything from sensing touch to controlling body temperature. It forms a protective barrier between your internal organs and the outside world. Skin is made up of 3 main layers. 1. Epidermis. It is the outermost layer. 2. Dermis. It is the thick middle layer. 3. Hypodermis or subcutaneous layer. It is the deepest layer. Each of these layers plays a critical role, and we're about to break them all down. The epidermis. First up, the epidermis. It's made mostly of cells called keratinocytes, which produce keratin, a tough protein that makes your skin waterproof and strong. This is the topmost layer, the part you can see and touch. Every 28 to 40 days, new skin cells rise to the top, while old ones flake off. A lot of it is dead skin cells. The epidermis also contains melanocytes, which produce melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color and protects against UV rays. What's cool? Your epidermis constantly renews itself. Ever wondered where dust in your house comes from? The dermis. Beneath the epidermis lies the dermis, the thicker, deeper layer. This is where the action happens. Blood vessels keep the skin nourished and regulate temperature. As we age, we produce less collagen, which is why skin wrinkles over time. Nerve endings help you feel sensations like touch, pain, heat, and pressure. Sweat glands help you cool down. Sebaceous oil glands keep your skin moisturized. Hair follicles anchor each hair strand. The dermis also contains collagen and elastin fibers. They keep your skin firm, stretchy, and youthful. The hypodermis. Here are its major functions. The hypodermis, also called the subcutaneous tissue, it is the bottom layer. It's mostly made of fat and connective tissue, providing insulation, cushioning, and energy storage. This layer connects the skin to your underlying muscles and bones. If you've ever gotten a shot that stings more deeply, that's because it reaches this layer. Section 2. Functions of the skin. Your skin is an absolute powerhouse. Protection. It shields your body from microbes, chemicals, and physical harm. Regulation. Helps regulate your body temperature through sweating and blood flow. Sensation. Detects pain, pressure, and temperature via millions of nerve endings. Vitamin D production. With the help of sunlight, your skin produces vitamin D, crucial for healthy bones. Water retention. It prevents excessive water loss and dehydration. Immune defense. Special cells in your skin fight off harmful invaders. So yes, your skin is always working, even when you're just sitting still. Section 3. Skin color and melanin. Let's talk about skin color. The pigment melanin, produced by melanocytes in the epidermis, gives skin its tone. People with darker skin produce more melanin, which offers greater protection against UV radiation. But here's something amazing: all humans have the same number of melanocytes. The difference is how much melanin they produce. Skin color has evolved over time based on geography, sunlight exposure, and genetics. And no matter the shade, every skin type deserves protection and care. Section 4. Skincare tips. So how do you keep your skin healthy and glowing? Hydrate. Drink enough water daily. Moisturize, especially after showers or in dry weather. Use sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Eat a balanced diet. Vitamins A, C, E, and omega-3s help skin health. Cleanse gently. Avoid harsh scrubbing or drying soaps. Don't smoke. It damages skin and accelerates aging. Taking care of your skin is not just cosmetic, it's essential to your overall health. Let's recap. The skin is your body's largest organ. It has 3 layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. It plays vital roles in protection, regulation, and sensation. Melanin determines your skin tone. Healthy skin equals healthy you. Next time you look in the mirror, give your skin some credit, it's doing an amazing job every second of the day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on fascinating human body facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.